So I have box bleached my hair from like 2 boxes from L'Oreal and this one off-brand. I need to get a photo and add it to this video. But the first one turned my hair really orange. It was about as orange as this color, like this red orange, like the red orange Crayola that is in the Crayola box. Then I did the L'Oreal Platinum hair dye and it did this to my hair. So it's still like orangey tone and red. And so I tried to follow all of the videos on YouTube and it wasn't doing anything to my hair. So now I went to Sally's Beauty and the lady said that the blue quick hair dye and half of the 30 volume developer would help. You see that? Take half of this and 1 of these. And then for backup, I have the 20 developer to go with the T18 toner. Also a toner shampoo, and this one actually doesn't dry out your hair and it makes it really soft. So alright guys, let's see. Hopefully I can do another video, part 2, and my hair doesn't look like this nasty orangey thing. And the reason why my ends are lighter is because they were already pre-bleached at the salon. Now mind you that I took on this challenge because I didn't want to spend $170 to do my hair. So far I'm at a $40 spent, so if I can fix this, we are good. So let's see.